Hey Resurrection Kids leaders, I'm Kaitlyn, and I'm really excited to talk to you the next few months about classroom management tips and techniques. This month, we're going to be focusing on transitions. Just like in any classroom, we need a lot of tools to put into our tool belt. We're going to be focusing on the tool of transitions this month. Just like a traffic cone shows you where to go, we are going to be showing kids where they go in their classroom, how to transition from one activity to the next, and sometimes even how to go from one area of the building to the next. So let's talk about how we prepare those kids. Kids need a lot of time to prepare to move from one activity to the next. Here's a few things that you might say to them. Okay kids, I'm gonna set a timer for 2 minutes. Play with whatever you want, and when the timer goes off, let's clean up our toys. Or you might say, all right kids, let's find one more toy to play with, then we're going to have friendship circle time. Giving them a few minutes or even a few seconds to finish what they are doing will allow them time to transition to the next activity. Sometimes you're going to be transitioning kids inside of your classroom. In the nursery, the kids stay in the classroom the whole time they are in our care. So here's some tips and techniques for how to transition them within the curriculum that we're doing inside of the classroom. Inside the classroom, you will find our classroom schedule. You can use a clothespin to visually show the kids what activity you're going to be transitioning to in the lesson every day. You also can sing songs or play music to signify, okay, we're going to be transitioning, and when the song is over, we're going to be all done cleaning up, or we're all going to be sitting at the carpet when the song is over. Something else that's sort of fun is you're going to say, okay kids, freeze, and you can turn the lights off. When the lights are off, they're all going to be looking around at you, and then you say, when I turn the lights back on, we are going to move to Bible story time on the carpet, or we are going to start lining up. Our older classrooms often move to Treehouse Park or to Logan's Landing. So some things that you're going to want to do for those kids are remind them that they need to have a safe and calm body when they are walking in the hallway. Something fun that you can do with the kids is show them what bumpers and bubbles look like. So a bumper would be like this, and a bubble is like this. And so they walk in the hallway, they're not tempted to touch things with their hands, and they have a quiet voice with a bubble in their mouth. Also, it's fun to use our monthly curriculum to get them engaged while walking in the hallways. Recently, we had a choo-choo train transition. The leader would say, choo-choo, and the kids would walk down the hallway like this. It's fun and it connects to our curriculum. That's okay, we're okay. Also, we are going to be teaching you guys all about callbacks. This is something really fun and engaging, especially for our older kids. Here's an example. The teacher will say, class, class, and then the kids will say,
yes, yes.
Perfect. Callbacks are something that need to be practiced. So let me give you another one that you can practice and use with your kids. The teacher would say, macaroni and cheese, and then the kids would say,
everybody freeze.
And then the goal is after the kids respond to the callback, they would be quiet and they would wait for the direction from the teacher. Like I said, that is something that requires practice and is best used for more of our early childhood or older nursery kids. I'm really excited to work through these trainings with all of you. Please be prepared for nursery staff and Resurrection Kids directors to come into your classroom the next month and model some of these tips and tricks with transitions. That's kind of a tongue twister. This month, we're also going to be talking about what to do if a child does not comply with your transition. I'm so excited to add this tool of transitions to our handy dandy classroom management toolbox. Thank you.